Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to show you guys a no-sew option with an accordion spine. So it's super fun, super easy, and we can use up our scraps, which makes it really nice. And yeah, I'll show you guys how to do this today. So let's get started. So the only thing you guys will need today is some scrap papers, scissors, and glue. And it's that easy. Okay, so what I got here is, this is a gardening book, and it's kind of got a thicker page to it, just a little bit. And I like to use that for spines, just something with a little more thickness to it. Okay, so we're going to start off just with that, and then these are just all my scrap papers I'm using. Okay, so you just take your strip here, and I have it 2 inches wide and however long, because we can always cut off the end if it's too long. And then I take it about, let's get just about 1.5 inches is where I do my first folds. I mean, but you know, it does not have to be perfect, like by any means. So roughly, let's just do that. Okay. So about like that, and then you're just gonna do just an accordion fold, just back and forth. Just like that. Super easy. Okay. So there we go. So you're just gonna do that and just keep folding it like that. And then we'll take our next one. Go ahead and get our glue. Okay, so my glue bottle's not cooperating, so I'm gonna use the big one here and glue this down. So you're just gonna glue on it right there. Okay. And then we're just gonna keep going. Just like that. Okay, so I'm just going back and forth. Okay, now what we're gonna want, what I'm gonna do is, for each peak is going to be a signature. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll just go ahead and just do 4 signatures, because each one of these will make into a signature. Okay, so we got our 4 peaks here. Move that to the side, and then just grab out 4 pieces of paper, any scrap paper, anything you want to use, and we're just gonna fold it in half. So this is just a really fun, easy beginner video just to put together a fun little scrapbook that you can, you know, and I'll show you some different things that we could do with it. This is my deli paper, and all I did was just fold down the edges, and then I folded it in half and glued it. I'm pretty sure I have a video on me making these fun little bags. I'll try to post that on the end screen for you guys, but these are really cool to make, and you can put them into your junk journals and have pockets. So I just went ahead and did that. So I think that would be a fun little page. Okay. So that's 2. And then 3, and I'll just make this one 4. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do is just, you have your crease here, and you're gonna take it like this, and then fold it like that, just a little bit. Just kind of find the edges right here. And just to find the center. And then I'm going to take my scissors, and I'm going to cut up about 2 inches. So roughly just snip, just like that. And then you have a slit in the middle. Okay? And then you're just going to take it, and you take your peak, and you pop it right through, just like that. And what I like to do is just take it and smash it down like this. Just like that. Okay. And okay, so I went ahead and switched over to my other Sweet Sugar Bell icing container, because my other one's clogged, so I'm just gonna have to soak it in like hot water or something just to clear it out. But this one's brand new, so it should work. So you just press this down, and then you could just put a bead of glue here and up at the top, just to glue that down. And then you're gonna want to take some glue here. Okay. So this is just a great no-sew option for a binding. You know, you don't have to bind it in with a thread or a sewing machine or, you know, any of those options. You can just have your glue and your paper and some scissors. So there we go. So we got our first one in here. And then I just crease it. Just like that. And there we go. We got our first signature. Line it up. Okay. And what I could do is just snip this part off. That's just an extra piece hanging. And then you could take your glue and attach the end. Like that. And it doesn't matter if any of the glue oozes out or anything like that, because this is just a base to the journal. And then once you get them all in there, I'll show you guys, I'll keep going. But once you get them all in there, you could cover them up, you know, like you can take it and, you know, start covering everything up and put on some fun fancy papers and just cover this part up however you want. So this is just a fun little base of it. Okay, and then we got our other peak here. So we're just gonna keep doing the same thing. Grab it, just pop it through. Okay. Let's just go ahead and go to the next one. I'll do a fun little pocket here. I just find the center, like that. Just cut on the line. Take it, pop it in. And just do the same thing all the way down. And last one, in the center. Okay, and then the last little bit here, just glue this tab down, secure it into place, and we got ourselves a little booklet here. Super fast, easy, fun to play with. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see me do some decorating in this journal. This will be a fun little journal to decorate in. And the other cool thing about it is it's small enough, and you could just do, you know, you can do less than 4 pages. You can just do just enough for a little tinier booklet. And you can make them different sizes depending on how you want to do them. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to see me do some fun decorating in these. In this, either this booklet or maybe both. You never know. Oh, and please hit the like button down below if you guys are liking this video. It really helps me out a lot. And throw a comment down below. I'd love to hear where you guys are from, where you're watching me from, where you're, you know, seeing me make my little stuff that I make. I'm from Oregon, and if you're new to my channel, that's where I'm from. I'm from Oregon. And yeah, I'd love to know what part of the country you're from, or you know, what state of the United States you live in. And please comment down below. I'd love to hear. Okay, so I think that these would be great to just clip in. Well, maybe not there, but just find a page here. Any old page. Geez, I'm getting this one full, huh? Okay, so you could just take it. I like this side better. And, you know, once you get it all filled up or however you want it, you could take it and just clip it into your journal. You know, just do a little side clip over here and have it flip like that. I mean, just however you want. And, you know, it could just sit into your journal like that, and you can have it so you can grab it out. And so these are just great little things to incorporate. I mean, you can even have a smaller one and stick it into a little pocket or belly band. Yeah, there's just so many options to do with this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little fun tutorial. And I'd love to hear if you guys made one down below and how yours turned out. And please, if you could, subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell and you guys will see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.